Selamat datang di Slow Custom Channel. Pada video kali ini saya akan membawakan video dengan bahasa Inggris, tapi bahasa Inggrisnya masih ngawur. Kalau kamu pakai HP, kamu bisa translate dengan memencet tombol yang ada titik 3 buah di atas sini. Atau kamu yang memakai laptop dan PC bisa translate di bawah sini, ada pilihan CC. Oke, terima kasih. Selamat menonton. At the beginning, I think this motor holder is fit into the other one. If I cut this part, this hole doesn't connect to the other one. And I think I will use my plan B is I will use the other side of gearbox. This one. So my plan is create a hole at this part. This hole is for motor shaft, so just set it here. And I think this part it must be cut off right here. Okay, let's get started. There is another problem. This gear cannot reach the motor shaft. You see? And I will cut this part. So I will flatten this surface in here. I use mini grinder. So this is still can lock my gear in here because just a little shaft motor in up here. You see this? And I will cut the other side, must be flattened too. Okay, I use mini grinder again. Here is the result. I'm flatten this circle. Okay, let's try again. It doesn't fit. I think I will cut again. Okay, next step is create a hole for a motor. So you can create a hole at other side in this circle. I think I will add this one and this one. Okay, let's try. Don't forget to use grease into the gear like this. Now you can install this gear into the motor shaft. And for ESC I use 320 amps for dual motor, of course. The next step I will put this connector for the motor. And from the battery connector I will change into the T connector like this, so I can use 3-cell battery 11.1 volt. Now we will test this ESC. I switch on the remote first, then the ESC. Oh, okay, it's work. Mana diku ya? Okay, we install the motor in here. Well, I put this ESC on this position because my finger easily to switch the button on here. You see that? Like here. Okay, now we wait till this fan till the fan is stable like this. Okay, go forward, backward, okay, we will test this rig outside.
Katukan. Katukan.